Have you ever followed something just because that's how it's always been done or nakasanayan na ng karamihan? I'm talking about tradition. Nowadays, maraming tradition tayong sinusunod na hindi galing sa Diyos. Ginagawa natin ang mga ito dahil everyone is doing it, and it's not because they're biblical. And some of this tradition can actually hold us back from God's blessing. Think about it. Rituals, rules, and some certain religious practices, sometimes we do them just to feel safe, accepted, and spiritual. But God isn't impressed by what people says holy. Ang tinitingnan niya is your heart in obedience. Sa Bible, let's take Peter as an example. Sa panahon niya, bawal kumain yung mga Hudyo kasama ang mga Hentil. At matinding tradisyon yun. Pero sinabi ng Diyos kay Peter sa Acts 10:15, "Do not call anything impure that God has already made clean." In short, God was telling him to break the tradition, and I want my truth to reach everyone without limitation. At sumunod si Peter. So pumunta siya kay Cornelius, isang Gentile centurion, at ibinahagi niya ang gospel. You know what happened? The Holy Spirit fell on Cornelius and his household. All of them got baptized and they became part of God's family. Imagine mo, kung sinunod ni Peter yung rules ng mga tao instead of following God's command, mawawala yung blessing ng Diyos kina Cornelius. You know, this story is for you. It's not an accident that you're watching this, but it is the will of God that you understand. Ask yourself, ano yung mga bagay na still ginagawa mo ngayon dahil nakagawian na? Which ones are man-made, not God-made? You know, in this generation, many tradition, kahit may good intention, pwedeng i-block nito ang blessings, opportunity, at freedom na nais ng Diyos para sa iyo. Today, decide, I will break the chains of man-made traditions. I will follow God's truth, not people's rules. Be bold, be free, step into obedience even if it's uncomfortable or different. Start to read the Bible and know the truth. And remember, not every tradition is from God. Break the chains, walk in God's truth, follow Jesus, and see the blessings flow. God bless.